Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Now in this video I will show you how to fix chat in WhatsApp. Write if my solution helped you. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments, and I will definitely read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel. Put likes. Let's get started. To do this we need to go to WhatsApp. And then this is where we open up the chats with you. And in order to bookmark a message with a person, we need to swipe to the right. And there's a pin. Click here. As you can see, we were able to pin this message. Now, if we get a lot of different messages, that person's message will be at the top. If we want to unpin it, we also swipe and hit unpin. That's how easy it is to do. Write in the comments whether you succeeded or not. If this video also helped you, then you can subscribe to the channel. Put a like. Goodbye.